Hey there, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of passive income and explore more than 10 different ways that you can start earning money without having to actively work for it. Passive income is a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom and independence. And in this video, we're going to show you how you can create your own income generating systems and processes that can potentially generate anywhere from $25,000 to $40,000 per week. We'll rank each method on a scale of 1 to 10 based on how easy they are to set up, how passive they are, and how easy it is to make money, so you can find the best options for your unique needs and goals. And while creating passive income streams does require time, effort, and investment upfront, the rewards can be truly life-changing. By building multiple streams of passive income, you can achieve greater financial stability, flexibility, and security, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. So, if you're ready to start building your own passive income streams and taking control of your financial future, then stick around because this video is for you. To jumpstart this list, let's get to the first on our list: running YouTube channels. To generate passive income from your YouTube channel, you need to focus on creating content that is engaging and appealing to your target audience. This can take time and effort, but if you can build a loyal following, you can earn a steady stream of income from your channel. Running a YouTube channel can be a great way to generate passive income if you do it right. Here are the main ways that YouTubers can earn money. Ad revenue. YouTube pays a share of the ad revenue generated from ads displayed on your videos. The more views and engagement your videos get, the more ad revenue you can earn. YouTube takes a cut of this revenue, but the majority of it goes to the creator. Merchandise sales. If you have a strong personal brand, you can sell merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, or other items that feature your logo or branding. You can use websites like Teespring or Spreadshirt to create and sell your own merchandise. Sponsorships. If you have a large and engaged audience, brands may be willing to pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. These sponsorships can be lucrative and can provide a steady source of income. And lastly, fan funding. You can set up a Patreon or other crowdfunding platform to allow your fans to support you directly. This can provide a stable source of income and allow you to create content that your fans love without having to rely on sponsorships or ad revenue. YouTube receives a rating of 8 out of 10 because it offers numerous opportunities for monetization. In addition to its built-in ad revenue system, YouTube provides access to a diverse range of targeted viewers within any given niche, allowing for a variety of monetization strategies. Number 2 on our list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where an affiliate, also known as a publisher, promotes a company's products or services and earns a commission for every successful sale, lead, or action they generate. Here are some reasons why affiliate marketing is a great source of passive income. Low startup costs. No customer support or product-related issues to handle. Flexible and scalable. High earning potential. No inventory management. Provides passive income for months or even years to come. In summary, affiliate marketing is a great source of passive income because it has low startup cost, requires no customer support, is flexible and scalable, has high earning potential, and provides passive income for months or years to come. Affiliate marketing is rated 8 out of 10 because you don't need to create your own product. Instead, you can promote someone else's product that is already developed. However, you will have to share a portion of the profits with them. Third on the list is creating online courses. Online courses can be a great source of passive income because once you create the course, you can sell it repeatedly without having to put in any additional effort. Here are a few ways that online courses can generate passive income. Scalability. Online courses can be sold to an unlimited number of students, making them a scalable source of income. Once you've created the course, you can sell it to thousands of people without any additional work. Automation. You can automate the entire sales and delivery process of an online course, allowing you to earn money while you sleep. Many course platforms offer features that allow you to automate email marketing, course delivery, and even customer support. Longevity. Online courses can continue to generate income for years to come. As long as the content remains relevant, you can continue to sell the course without needing to update it. Low overhead. The overhead costs of creating and selling an online course are relatively low compared to other businesses. Once you've created the course, there are no ongoing costs to maintain it, and you can sell it from anywhere in the world. Overall, online courses can be an excellent source of passive income because they are scalable, automated, have longevity, and have low overhead costs. However, it is important to note that creating a successful online course requires a significant amount of effort upfront. You'll need to create high-quality content, market your course effectively, and provide excellent customer support to ensure that your course is successful. Number 4 is selling digital products. Digital products have become a popular source of passive income for several reasons. One of the key advantages of digital products is their low overhead cost. Once a product is created, there are no additional costs associated with producing and distributing it. Unlike physical products that require inventory, shipping, and storage expenses. This makes digital products highly cost-effective as there is no need to invest a lot of money upfront. Another advantage of digital products is their scalability. Digital products can be sold repeatedly to an unlimited number of customers without any additional effort or cost, making them highly scalable. This means that once a product is created, it has the potential to generate income indefinitely, with no additional work required. Digital products also typically have high profit margins since there are no production or distribution costs, allowing the creator to keep a larger percentage of the sales revenue. This makes digital products a highly profitable option for those looking to generate passive income. Additionally, digital products are easy to automate. The creator can set up a system to automatically sell and deliver the product without any manual intervention. This means that the product can be generating income even when the creator is not actively working on it. Finally, digital products are a great source of passive income because they are low cost, highly scalable, and easy to automate, which allows the creator to earn revenue without having to invest a significant amount of time or resources into ongoing production or distribution. Ranking the ease of setting up this passive income stream is score 7 out of 10. However, the complexity of the digital product being created will play a significant role in determining the ease of setting it up. For instance, creating an ebook can be completed in a couple of hours, and it doesn't necessarily have to be lengthy or complicated. On our halfway mark, blogging falls in on our 5th spot. Blogging can be a great source of passive income because it allows you to generate revenue from your content even while you're not actively working on it. One way to make money from blogging is through advertising. By displaying ads on your blog, you can earn money based on the number of clicks or impressions the ads receive. Another way to monetize your blog is through affiliate marketing, which involves promoting products or services on your blog and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Finally, many bloggers also generate income through sponsored content or brand partnerships, where they work with companies to create content that promotes their products or services. By building a loyal audience and consistently creating valuable content, blogging can be a reliable source of passive income over time. Blogging receives a rating of 6 out of 10 for its ease in making money. This is because There are many blog articles available on the internet, and it may take some time to accumulate a backing of articles before actually earning money. Number 6 is automating an online business. Automating an online business can be an excellent source of passive income because it can help you reduce the time and effort required to manage your business. By automating routine tasks like customer service, email marketing, and order processing, you can free up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Additionally, automation can help you scale up your business without investing a lot of extra time and effort. Target your ideal customers more efficiently and make your business available 24/7. Though it may require some initial investment of time and resources, the long-term benefits of automating your online business can be significant. This receives a rating of 2 out of 10 because finding the right people to manage your business can be difficult and you may have to go through a few bad hires in the beginning. However, if you use the hiring templates provided in Tube Mastery, which are specifically for YouTube, you may have better luck. As for how passive this is, it receives a rating of 6 out of 10 because you still need to manage the people you hire to ensure your business runs smoothly. The 7th passive income option is software. Software has the potential to generate recurring revenue for businesses as customers usually pay a monthly fee for it. The software can be developed by hiring freelancers from Upwork or by building it oneself. But it should address a real problem that people face. For example, a subscription tracking software called Track My Subs was created to help individuals keep track of their subscriptions. Software businesses can sell for high multiples compared to other online businesses. However, building a good software requires a lot of effort and money, making it difficult to set up. Once established, it can generate passive income as it can be delivered automatically and support and updates can be outsourced. The ease of making money through software depends on the type of software and its effectiveness in solving a problem. On a scale of 1 to 10, the score for building software is just 1 because it requires a lot of effort and investment, often costing hundreds of thousands of dollars to create a good one. However, once it is built, the software can be very profitable because it requires minimal effort to deliver and maintain. It typically scores 9 out of 10 for its passive income potential. While making money from software is relatively easy, it still scores 6 out of 10 on the scale. Number 8 is selling stock photos and videos. Selling stock photos and videos can be a viable passive income source because it allows you to earn money by licensing your creative work to others. Once you've created your photos and videos, you can sell them multiple times to multiple buyers without any additional effort. This means that you can earn income from the same work over and over again. Stock photography and videography can provide passive income because you don't have to actively market your work to potential buyers. Instead, you can list your images and videos on various stock photography and video marketplaces, and they will be available to purchase by anyone who needs them. And lastly, it's relatively easy to get started with selling stock photos and videos. You don't need any specialized equipment or training to get started, and many stock photography and video websites allow you to upload your work for free. This is rated 7 out of 10 for how easy it is to set up. You'll need a camera to do this, but even the phone camera works well. It's rated 9 out of 10 for how passive it is, but only 3 out of 10 for how easy it is to make money because you usually need a large number of stock assets before you start making consistent sales. Passive income idea number 9 is high yield savings account. If you're earning money from passive income sources, it's important to have a secure place to keep it. One option is a high yield savings account where you can earn interest on your money. Typically, it's recommended to save 6 to 12 months of living expenses in such an account. To find the best interest rates, you can visit websites like Bankrate or NerdWallet. In the US, the current interest rate is about 3%, but it may vary in other countries. Personally, the speaker earns around $500 per month from their high-yield savings account. Setting up this type of account is fairly easy. You can simply apply at a bank or online. In terms of being a passive activity, this online method receives a perfect score of 10 out of 10 because you don't need to do anything once you deposit the money. However, in terms of ease of making money, it only gets a rating of 2 out of 10 because you typically need to accumulate a large sum of money to generate a decent amount of passive income. Additionally, the interest rates can fluctuate, so you need to deal with that too. Nevertheless, it's much better than leaving your money in a checking account where it does nothing for you. The 10th passive income idea are rental properties. Rental properties are a great source of passive income because they generate regular income streams without requiring significant time or effort from the owner. When you own a rental property, you receive regular rental income from your tenants. This income stream can be reliable and consistent, especially if you have long-term tenants who pay their rent on time. Rental properties can also appreciate in value over time, which means that the value of your property can increase even as you collected rental income. This can provide a significant source of passive income when you eventually sell the property. Rental income can also provide a hedge against inflation, as rental rates tend to rise over time. This means that the income you receive from your rental property may increase over time, helping to protect your purchasing power. Overall, rental properties can be a great source of passive income due to the regular rental income they generate, their potential for appreciation in value, tax benefits, the ability to outsource management tasks, and their ability to provide a hedge against inflation. It receives a rating of 6 out of 10 because it still requires some effort and involvement from you. Even if you hire a property management company, you still need to approve expenses and manage cash flow. On the other hand, making money through this method is relatively easy, with a rating of 4 out of 10. However, you usually have to purchase a costly property, and to earn a decent income, you need to rent out several units, which can be expensive to acquire. Additionally, success depends heavily on the market conditions. The final passive income idea on our list is investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a type of stock that pays out a portion of the company's profits to its shareholders on a regular basis, typically quarterly. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, an individual can earn passive income in the form of these regular payouts without having to actively manage their investments. This income source can be steady and reliable, and can even grow over time. It's a good option for those who want a more stable and predictable source of investment income. Overall, dividend stocks can be a great way to generate passive income, especially for those who are looking for a more stable and reliable source of investment income. To make it easier to get started, you can use any brokerage account, but it's recommended to ensure that it has some form of SIPC insurance if you're in the US. When it comes to the level of passivity, dividend investing is rated 10 out of 10, while in terms of ease of making money, it only receives a 2 out of 10. We hope you found it useful and informative. Passive income streams can provide financial stability and freedom, and we encourage you to explore the various options we've discussed in this video. Remember, passive income requires effort and dedication upfront, but can ultimately lead to a long-term financial rewards. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on personal finance and entrepreneurship. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Also, feel free to share your own experiences with passive income in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers and appreciate your support. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.